I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pausing and reading the stability meter to see what's causing the drop. This tells you whether unrest is economic, cultural, or wartime. Once done, shift resource allocation into food and gold to stop income-driven penalties, because stable income prevents sudden revolts. Make sure to cancel luxury unit builds that drain upkeep. Instead, cue a stability boost building. These first moves halt decline quickly and give you breathing room to implement longer fixes. Once immediate bleeding is controlled, expand mid-game fixes to sustain stability. Upgrade markets and temples because they provide persistent stability bonuses and improved income. Next, deploy diplomats and open trade routes to lower cultural unrest. Diplomatic ties often reduce border tension and war penalties. Make sure to garrison troops only where needed. Retrain expensive units into cheaper militia for province order, because localized military presence calms rebellions without wrecking your economy. These steps stabilize your empire while you rebuild. You finish by locking in long-term solutions. Enact reforms or research technologies that give permanent stability increases, since lasting modifiers prevent repeat crashes. Once done, invest in cultural projects and governors to convert volatile provinces. Conversion creates loyalty, so you stop firefighting. Make sure to maintain a reserve fund for emergency food or gold injections. If issues persist, isolate the worst province, force a local peace treaty, or apply a heavy garrison. This targeted fix prevents empire-wide collapse and buys time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.